Minista wa Kîthomo wa AKENYA Professor Julius Migos Ogambo augite thirikari ni itarite kamiti ya gutegera mutaratara jumweru jo weja ni kigina kiria aritoba UNIVESITY bo augite bugatethia gutigira umuritwa na kwamukira utethio buria kubatara na bukamuguna na gutiwa kwinyirika kuringana na mbeca iria kwamukira ataririte bubukire mambura ja gukungwira mambura ja gukenera Professor Kîthomo ta Chancellor umweru wa skuru ya Tharaka University. Migos augite kuri na bata ya kubuithia mutaratara juria tugatethia aritwa kuringana na umbani bumuciari kenda baraba umite guntu gute guciumba buru bethirwa ni bakwamukira mbeca nyingi. Paul Kabithi na ripoti je.
Keria waziri wa ithomo Professor Julius Ogambo muthenya gwemthi na ugite thirikari tayari ni thondekete kamiti chiri cia kurithiria mutaratara wimbi wa thirikari kuriagira aritoba University BICI.
Government continues to reform the student-centered funding model to ensure that all Kenyans get access to quality and affordable education. Happy to announce that we are forming 2 committees this week to engage in the robust discussions on how to ensure the funding model does not disadvantage any students in their bids to access higher education.
Na kire mugomo gwa arimu ba university ro kwirigiro kiumia tukwata.
I urge the unions to give the process of negotiation a chance so that all the parties can reach an amicable settlement.
Ogamba kiuria tongori ba masukuru gutigiri bakuga bareri ithomo no kiri gukandakana na mitingo ya mianki ire kumira ntuko gwa ntuko masukuru.
While I do not want to apportion blame to any of us, I believe that we can forestall such spate of school fires if each of us played their role in enforcing the government's safety standards manual for schools in Kenya, which has formidable measures to ensure our institutions are safe spaces for our children.
Nkurukino riti arimu kubanga ni aritoba ono ntubwa igerio birabi kwirigirwa kwanjiria ruani.
Appealing to all our stakeholders to do everything they can to ensure a good atmosphere for our schools to prepare candidates for the National Kenya Primary Education Assessment and the Kenya Intermediate Level Education Assessment and the Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education Examinations that are set to start for this term.
Bari tio gukire mambura makwamukira Chancellor wimbi na wa mbere wa Tharaka University.
Now we are complete because we have a full council, we have the Chancellor, we have the Management Board, we have the Senate. There's no single organ of the university management that we don't have.
A way of forward, I'll promise to do the best I can, and I really like to finally thank all the friends we invited who have come here, and they are ready to work, ready to do what is possible within their mandate of support.
Ambra marama kuimba imbere twintongoria kathomba ara mujumbe ochuke gamba ngomba mheshimiwa Patrick Munene ujumbe mwekoro kontini ya Tharaka Nithi mheshimiwa Susan Kuwa Mwindu amwe na mujumbe wa Tharaka Gitonga Murugara.
Pass our gratitude to the President of the Republic of Kenya. Tell him that this is the best gift that you would have given the people of Tharaka and the people of Tharaka Nithi. We really appreciate. Issues, mining, issues, agriculture, especially the dry land agriculture, we really appreciate. And with you, Mr. Chancellor, we know Tharaka, even if you achieve at least 3/4 of the niche areas of this university, we are going to achieve.
I will continue supporting this university, whether in bursaries, in whatever else as a member of parliament, because it's vitally important that we grow our university.
Nkiripotera uru juma kumantere cha Tharaka mbitu wa Paul Kabithi.